friends and students, welcome to my channel Easy Learning Class. About estimation of single room building by long wall and short wall method. This is the question. This question is estimate the single room building by long wall and short wall method as per guidance of given figure. Here width of wall is 30 centimeter is equal to 0.3 meter is given, and this is the figure of questions. Single room building, this internal dimension of this room is 5 meter and 4 meter, 5 meter into 4 meter. So 5 meter is x-axis and 4 meter is y-axis. Here the cross section figure is given here. So from ground level, this is PCC, this is first footing, second footing, this is plinth beam. Plinth level means plinth is one type of beam, and this is wall. From here to here, this is wall. So here wall, from wall is above ground floor, from ground floor to above, this is wall. So this is called superstructure, but below the ground floor is plinth beam. After that, below plinth beam, here is second footing, first footing, and plain cement concrete. So this is ground level. So from below the ground floor, all are foundation works. It means this all together is substructure, and only wall is here superstructure. Here width of plain cement concrete is given 1 meter, first footing width 0.8 meter, second footing width 0.6 meter, and plinth beam width is 0.4 meter, and height of plain cement concrete is 0.3 meter, first footing 0.3 meter, second footing 0.3 meter, plinth beam is 0.6 meter, and for wall superstructure height is 3.5 meter. Now here center to center length of long wall is equal to 0.3 divided by 2, because width of wall is 0.3 meter from here to here. So 0.3, so we are taken only center from here to here. So half of this wall is total 0.3 divided by 2 plus 5 is this room dimension, plus 0.3 is this wall breadth, and divided by 2 means only we are taking only center distance up to here is 0.3 by 2. So total it becomes 5.3 meter. Now center to center length of short wall is here, this from here to here is only 4 meter. So center here center, and here center, from center to center distance equal to, we are calculating here 0.3 by 2 means from here to here 0.3 by 2, because from here to here 0.3, so half is the 0.3 by 2 plus 4 from here to here, again plus 0.3 divided by 2, so this is added. So total center to center length of short wall is 4.3 meter. Now here total length of quantity L is equal to center length plus minus width or breadth. It means for long wall L is equal to center length plus width, and for short wall center length minus width. After that, here we are going for calculation. Here calculation according to this figure, we are going for calculation. Here we have to make this type of table. Here is serial number, here description of item, numbers, length in meter, breadth meter, height meter, so quantity also becomes in meter cube, and here explanation. First number 1 is excavation in foundation. excavation in foundation means total excavation from ground level to up to here. This is below the ground level. From here, this is earthwork. Earthwork in excavation, it is also called as excavation in foundation. Foundation means below the ground level. So here, this method, here is long wall and short wall. Long wall number is 2 because one is this, another is this. 1, 2, 2 long wall and 2 short wall. 1, 2, 2 short wall. So here breadth of this last foundation is 1 meter. In short wall also 1 meter. And height becomes below the ground level 0.3 into 3. So it becomes 0.9 meters for both long wall and short wall. Now for quantity, length of quantity, here this is the length of quantity. It means center to center length. Here for long wall, this is center to center length. We have center to center length, we have 5.3 meter. So this is a 5.3 meter plus width. So width is here 1 meter, here width is 1 meter. So why we should add this length, this width in length? Because here this length is only from center to center length, from here to here. But if we make our design of this, for example plain cement concrete, so here from this center to this center, so this is center line. So from here we should take a half. First of all we mark center line. After that make a plain cement concrete. So plain cement concrete breadth is 1 meter. So half from center line, half is this side and half is this side. It means 0.5 meter. Half meter is this side, half meter is this side. So starting from here, this is the width. This from here to here, this is 1 meter width is going from here to here up to this center line, and similarly in this side also, from this is center line, and from here to here, is 1 meter is going to here up to this center line. So up to this center line is going, and so from here to here width, and from here to here width is 1 meter. Now for short wall only becomes length becomes up to here to here. For short wall we are adding, provided width from here to here is 1 meter, width up to this length only, because from here already this plain cement concrete foundation is prepared. So from only up to here we should able to make this short wall is plain cement concrete. So what about this portion? Because we are added only center line, so to this wall width is 1 meter up to here, but we are taken from only here center line up to this width is complete here to here only. So to maintain this short wall, we are increase length of this width here to here is increased by up to here increased. So how much increased? This is center line, means this from here half portion is this and half portion is this. So 0.5 meter up to here, and 0.5 meter up to here. So 0.5 meter this side increases. Similarly from this center line 0.5 meter this side, 0.5 meter this side, because total width is 1 meter. So 0.5 meter increases this side. So 0.5 from here to here, this portion is length is 0.5 meter, this length, and width is already for long wall 1 meter and short wall also 1 meter. So this portion 0.5 meter and this portion 0.5 meter increase, altogether 1 meter length is increases. So 1 meter is equal to width of this item, means PCC. This rule is applied for all item. So this is PCC, width is 1 meter, so here length is also increases 1 meter. That's why in every case we should add width of that item, and here for short wall we are subtracting width because this center line for short wall, this center line length is center to center length is from here to here, but the up to here half portion 0.5 meter here to here is mentioned by long wall, already prepared by long wall, this side long wall, and up to from this center to center line, this center line to here, this length is 0.5 meter, already prepared by long wall method. So we have now only to prepare from here to here, means here to here width, this width of PCC we have to prepare up to only here. So from both side, here to here 0.5 meter and here to here up to this central line 0.5 meter, altogether 1 meter is a width of wall is decreased. That's why we are subtracting width of item for calculation of short wall of that item. So it is clear now. So this is procedure excavation in foundation for long wall 2 piece, short wall 2 piece. Here breadth is 1 meter, and height is so 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.33 is 0.9 meter from ground level to below up to here, and length is so center to center length is 5.3 plus width is 1 meter, so adding 1 is equal to 6.3 meter. This is the length of this quantity of this item. So 6.3 length becomes L is equal to center to center length is 4.3 minus breadth is 1, so minus breadth is equal to 3.3 meter. So length of this quantity excavation is becomes here. So after multiplying all the quantity in 2 into 6.3 into 1 into 0.9, quantity of long wall becomes 11.34 and quantity of short wall becomes 5.94. After adding these two quantity, we are getting 17.28 meter cube. Quantity of this work means this excavation in foundation work. Similarly, for PCC work, plain cement concrete, long wall 2 and short wall 2. Here also breadth is PCC also breadth is 1 meter, and height is here only 0.3 because for PCC only 0.3. So 0.3 is height. Now multiplying all this quantity, we are getting 3.78 meter cube, and for short wall we are getting 1.98 meter cube. After adding both these quantity, we are getting 5.78 meter cube quantity of PCC. Here length is 5.3 from center to center length. After adding breadth means this width is same 1 and 1, so adding 1 here and here subtracting 1, so it becomes same to earthwork in excavation. Now brickwork in foundation for first footing, here number is 2 and breadth is 0.8 for both, height is 0.3. So here length center to center length 5.3 plus width means 0.8. Here length 4.3 minus width 0.8. So subtracting, we are getting length of quantity of this brickwork for first footing 6.1 meter length for long wall and 3.5 meter length for short wall. After multiplying these quantities, we are getting these for long wall 2.92 and short wall 1.68 meter cube, altogether 4.6 quantity for brickwork for first footing. Now second footing, long wall and short wall is same 2, and here width is 0. Second footing, here 5.3 is the center to center length and 0.6 we are adding this breadth means width 0.6, and here subtracting 0.6. Here only this work is new. Adding and subtracting of breadth and all quantity are same, so we get new length. Quantity of length 5.9 meter for long wall and short wall 3.7 meter. So multiplying these quantities, for long wall we are getting 2.124 and for short wall we are getting volume 1.332 meter cube altogether. After adding 3.456 is the quantity of second footing. Similarly, plinth beam, long wall 2 and short wall is also 2. Here width for plinth is 0.4, 0.4 and height is 0.6. From ground level to ground floor, this is plinth beam. So this height is 0.6 and 0.6. Here length is calculated. Center to center length is 5.3 plus here width is 0.4, so 0.4 is adding, so it becomes 5.7, and after subtracting the 0.4 meter width from this center to center length of short wall, so it becomes 1.872. altogether 4.608 meter cube is the quantity of plinth wall. So this three work is completed for brick work in foundation. Now in 4 number there is brick work in superstructure. Brick work in superstructure is from here to here only for wall. So long wall 2, here width is 0.3 meter, here width of wall is 0.3 meter is given by question, and L quantity here total length of quantity means this superstructure for long wall is 5.3 plus 0.3 is the breadth of wall, and for short wall width is 0.3, height is 3.5 and length is. In brickwork in superstructure here also same. Now multiplying all these quantity of long wall we are getting 11.76, and for short wall we are getting quantity 8.4, altogether 20.16 meter cube. This is the volume of quantity of brickwork in we found. So after this quantity we are estimate and we are costing the rate of building from after multiplying. For example, if 1 meter cube quantity we have some cost, then multiplying this quantity we are getting total cost of brick work, and adding all this quantity we are getting this all full work of cost. Okay, so guys, if you understand this topic then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.